Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to pin app to desktop in Windows 10 and make accessing your favorite apps much faster and easier. Step 1. Click on the Start icon at the bottom of your screen. This is the Windows logo in the bottom left corner and it opens the Start menu where all your apps are listed. Clicking it is the first step to find the app you want on your desktop. Step 2. Click on All Apps in the top right corner of the Start menu. This shows you a complete list of all installed applications on your computer, so you can easily locate the app you want to pin. Step 3. Find the app you want to pin, then click and drag it onto your desktop. Clicking and dragging moves the app shortcut, so you can place it wherever you like on your desktop for easy access. Step 4. Release the app on your desktop to pin it. Once you let go, a shortcut will appear on your desktop, giving you instant access to open the app anytime without searching for it again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.